Hello there. So, get the secrets that successful academics and researchers use to get their papers published without rejection. This is very important. Struggling to get your papers published and it ends in constant rejections from editors and publishers. Master Research to End is the ultimate guide to your professionally structured research paper to attain academic publishing without constant rejections. What you get in this is this: get research topic ideas clarity, assess step by step professionally prepared paper structure outline. You also receive tips on how to easily identify publishers relevant to your research focus. What I want you to do: join thousands of academics and researchers who have already transformed their research publication journey through our strategic research structure that produces successful results. So, you should just click the link below to register for the webinar. It is free. Don't miss this exclusive offer. Don't miss out. This exclusive offer is for a limited time. Grab your seat now before it vanishes. Yes, you would like to know your coach. Iyabode Nwabeze is a seasoned academic and researcher with over 25 years of experience in higher education. I am a professor of English language and have a passion for research. I have published 15 books and many academic articles in national and international journal outlets, which have high quality. I've also received book publishing grants and led teams of academic researchers to success. I was the editor-in-chief of the Noun Scholar, my faculty journal. I'm also a reviewer for Konya Humanities. Even last week, I just submitted one. This is a journal of Taylor and Francis. Of course, I also edit for many people, even at very level. Of course, this information is in the public space. I also have worked with a range of students and higher education from the most junior to the PhD classes and have done this across universities and countries. Of course, I was in University of Ghana as a visiting scholar on sabbatical appointment, and I taught during that period from the bachelor's to the PhD level. I've also supervised the PG dissertation, and many of these students have become my mentees now. I've also recently completed my sabbatical with the University of Benin, where I also taught at the undergraduate and the postgraduate levels, up to PhD levels, and also supervised students' research. I also serve as a research consultant, that means leading the research on the seminar presented by students. Of course, I've reviewed assessment for admission of students in my own university. I've also served as a PhD external examiner in India and Nigeria. One of them is also University of Ibadan. I'm currently supervising my PhD. Funnily enough, my student that was recently accepted in now, we had a brainstorm session that his topic just passed and they could see it was focused. Many of these people that are my colleagues that have also helped at the middle and level, maybe early career and middle career, I've also mentored them. Many of them, they see me as a mentor. So that tells you that I know what I'm talking about if I want to tell you how research should be done in a practical sense that can actually advance your career. So I advise you, click the link below. Join the free webinar. It is free. All you need is your data. Just join us and you'll be glad you did. God bless you. So see you at the webinar.